Shannon
isn't available right now. Please leave a message after the tone.
We're off to Chinatown to pick out some rings. We're just walking to the Grab now. We're in the taxi on the way to Chinatown to buy some gold and pretend that I understand the market. And for that reason, I brought my mom with us. Made it to Chinatown and we're just looking for some gold shops, but it's not hard because they're pretty much everywhere here. My finger is really small, so all the designs I want are sold out. Chinatown's meant to have a lot of gold shops, but it doesn't seem like that many when you're looking for something specific. But I've gotten my ring and now we're on the way to another one to get JR's ring. We're in a tuk-tuk going to Alhurat. Oh, I have a stitch. I don't know where that came from, but we secured the rings and now we're off to some other place in Chinatown. It's only a 15-minute walk, but I don't think my mum can walk that far in this heat, so we just got 2 tuk-tuks instead. Anyway, Yaowarat is the biggest Chinatown in the world, and it has pretty much everything that you would want to buy. Everything from clothes to food to souvenirs, gold. Gold is a big thing here. And they have this giant market called Something, which is, well, it's just an open air market. It's really hot, but anything you can find in stores like MBK and Platinum, you can find in Something for probably half the price or less. Yeah, I know. I've got khao mok gai for lunch, but there's a little stand here. Ooh, I don't know what it's called, but Jar got plain rice and chicken
and rice.
Some kind of chicken salad hybrid with somtam. Ja got banana chocolate crepe and put it up to your face so we can see how big it is. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be.
Anything else? Do you have any allergy cannot eat?
Nothing.
No.
Who did?
I thought you smiled when you said it.
No, I was smiling because I wanted to keep this here to read the cheesecake. This is my orange coconut cream drink. And Vidal got a peach tea. And now he's having bread with butter. Show the camera. Is it even good? Why?
I don't know, it just tastes good.
It's just bread, isn't it? Okay, explain what you got.
The potato tots, I think they have bacon and cream inside. And this is sour cream to dip sauce.
I didn't know you eat sour cream. Well, what are your thoughts on sour cream?
I don't know, it's good.
You'd never eat it at home.
Because I don't want it. Yeah.
And these are JR's fries with 2 ketchups. Rate the fries. These are the famous avocado egg rolls from Cheesecake Factory. This is the famous chicken Madeira.
But then you
I'm
started
just gonna
recording.
put some stuff on there. Jar steak over Vidal's schnitzel thing. Schnitzel pizza thing topped with spaghetti. My thoughts on the chicken Madeira. It's good, but it's a little overhyped. And if this is the size, if these are the portions they serve in America, then that explains so much. Does that jazz make you feel like you're in the city now? Let's go into the names.
Today's breakfast is mango and custard apple. Look at that. So soft.
Is that what I ordered? That's huge.
This is the finished product of my mango ice.
That's fun, yeah.
I think it will be like that.